Drive shaft. So the drive shaft is already been damaged very badly. So it's the right hand side drive shaft. So we didn't expect that it will crack that soon, but it's very bad. So we have already disconnect the lower control arm from the wheel knuckle and take out the drive shaft from there. This is another transmission fluid. This is the drive shaft that's leaking from the corner. So it's splashing everywhere, all the grease out from the drive shaft. So even this is bad, but the wood is intact. From other side, it's not cracking anything, but it's leaking from this. So it's better to replace the drive shaft than replacing the drive shaft board, because all the grease is out, and it's driving this car as it is for more 2 months, I think. Yep. So we have to replace that one as well. We have to recommend. It's splashing everywhere. Yep.